How to send money coins.ph to GCash. Let's go. Unang gagawin ay buksan ang Coins app. Once nabuksan mo na, sa lower right corner makikita mo ang portfolio. Click mo yan. And you will be redirected here. Look for withdraw icon at once nakita mo, tap mo lang and this will appear. Below withdraw, makikita mo ang cash out icon. Pindutin mo yan. Once nandito ka na, scroll down ka lang up until makita mo ang e-wallet. Below e-wallet, makikita mo ang GCash. Pindutin mo ang GCash icon at mapupunta ka dito. Dito sa amount, enter mo lang ang pera na gusto mong isend sa coins to GCash. Dito naman sa InstaPay at PesoNet, mamili ka between the two. Kapag InstaPay pinili mo, may fee ka na babayaran worth 10 pesos. Pero real-time mo naman matatanggap ang pera mo from coins to GCash. But if you select naman PesoNet, wala kang babayaran na fee. Pero yung trade-off is, you need to wait 1 to 5 business days before mo matanggap ang pera mula sa coins to GCash mo. But if you're like me na gusto real-time, let us select InstaPay and tap Next. Dito sa account name, ito yung pangalan na verified GCash account. Meanwhile, itong account number ay ang cellphone or mobile number ng verified GCash mo. Once you have entered all the information needed, click Next. After clicking Next, you'll be asked to double-check the GCash details you have entered. Once may typo, you can click this arrow sa upper left corner ng phone mo para mo-correct mo pa. Once tama na lahat ng information, tap Confirm. It will load, and this receipt will generate as proof na nakapag-send ka na ng pera from coins to GCash. To verify if talagang nakapag-send ka ng pera from coins to GCash, open your GCash app and you will see that after 3 to 5 minutes lang, nag-reflect na agad ang pera sa GCash wallet mo galing coins. Diba? Ang dali lang. So kung gusto mo rin matutunan paano mag-send ng pera from GCash to coins, may tutorial din ako para dyan. Click mo lang ito. O di kaya gustong matutunan how to convert your G-credit using coins. May tutorial din ako para dyan. Click mo lang ito. So if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yun lang. See you in the next video. Let's go.